So we've got another preview from the Eldar Codex. And of course, we're talking about the Avatar today. I like this picture here. He's standing atop a big pile of dices? Anyway, yeah, so basically, like similar like the last article, basically it's kind of, tactics as far as, units are concerned. And so basically they pitted the Avatar versus his contemporaries that he might find on the battlefield. And of course, he first takes on a Redemptor Dread, and basically he deals 16 damage, and avatars don't look back at explosions. He's just walking away through the explosion, apparently. Then he takes on Marnius Calgar. And of course, he deals with the little fella. As a result, even with damaging half the armor, the Avatar wins out. Sit down, little man. Thought that was kind of funny. Keeper Secrets. Yeah, Keeper Secrets does some damage, but the Avatar wins out. Now, of course, this is kind of like, I guess they were, rolling dice and seeing who would win, right? We've all done this when we were sitting around the table discussing things, and, we've rolled dice to see who might win in hypothetical scenarios and such. Of course, they pitted against the other half, the Chaos half of the Eldritch Omens box set, which is the Warpsmith, some Chosen, and the Fiend. And, of course, the Avatar is more than enough to deal with all of that, and he basically routs the chaos. And I don't know if he killed them to a man, but he definitely deals with them. Baneblade, he's dealing with a Baneblade now. So so here's where we're at. We're dealing with an Avatar attacking a Baneblade. That's where we're at now in this conversation. And of course, it does tremendous amounts of damage to him, but in the end, after I think they say 2 rounds, it deals it destroys the Baneblade. I know. Pitiful Monkeye machinery falls before the wailing doom. Just. Then, of course, they pit him against Mortarion, Primarch of the Death Guard. And, being a bit of a Nurgle softy myself, I'm kind of conflicted in this. And, of course, Mortarion does take the day. He wins, but just barely, and he took some pretty heavy damage apparently. But that is it. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. The new rules for the Avatar, by the sounds of it, by the sounds of this article, they're making it sound like he's quite a beefcake. So, what do you guys think? Are you guys excited? I'm excited. I'm looking forward to this new release. Holy camoles! This coming Saturday, this codex is coming out for pre-order. Oh my god.